Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've done anything about the GSX-R 600. This is a 2007 model. I'm just doing like a little repair today. Thought I'd put it on camera for you. So today I'm gonna be replacing the back seat cable. So there's this cable just kind of like sits down inside the seat here. So I'll show you where that cable goes. Right now I kind of have it, I don't know if you can see this right here. The cable is kind of sticking out right here. I just jerry-rigged it with some zip ties because it broke. So it still opens, but it's kind of ghetto. So yeah, once you pull that cord right there, the seat will come up, but you're supposed to use the key right there, but that doesn't even work now. So we're gonna set that up to where that key will work. This is kind of the setup I have right now. Zip ties, kind of just holding this together. My bike is basically held together by zip ties. It's pretty sweet, so. Anyways, I'll just cut this one, and then this whole side panel will actually come off. There's actually I think there's some more clips holding it. I think there's one right here, and then underneath, looks like right there, and then right there. So for tools, you're gonna need a size 5 here. You just need to use this guy right here on the seat. And once you got that, you just take the seat off. Alright guys, so I'll show you in a sec what you should buy right here, because I just have some really crappy pins here. I'm not sure what they're called, but anyways, like this doesn't even unscrew. It's like really crappy plastic, and then that one just broke. So make sure you get like the proper pins to hold down your your fairings. So let's see if I can get this guy off. Alright, got that one. See how jacked that is? Yeah, let's get this one. So I'm just gonna use these pliers and take this side out. And there we go, it is detached. So the reason why I removed both of those pins or clips, whatever you call them, is because I got the replacements for the actual OEM original clips right here. So once I'm done, because all you need to do is take off this panel right here. Once I'm done doing that, I'll replace them with these new ones I just bought, and hopefully these will last longer and won't fall apart like the cheap clips. But lastly, really all you have to do now is, well, if your fairings are still in good condition, you just have to unscrew this right here. Pretty sure that's it, and then underneath you just take off those 2 clips right there. So I'll do that right now. Alright, the last piece here for me is to cut these zip ties. So let's do that. Here there's a little pin that needs to be pulled out, so, and then it should come right off, and then make sure you disconnect that. But all you have to do now is connect that little guy up here to that guy, with the cables and it should be good to go. And then I can use the key again. So, do that right now. So I'm gonna snap my fingers and it's all gonna be back together. And like that, it's all back together. If this worked right, this key should open up the back seat here. So let's give it a try. And there we go. It works. So that's how you replace your back cable, guys, for your seat, just in case you had that issue like I did. So not too hard, just take you a couple minutes to do. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We're gonna have some more videos out on the GSX-R 600, I'm sure. Just stay tuned and we'll keep you posted.